Peter Holtz CPA here. I want to talk a little bit about IRS representation. A lot of people sometimes forget to file their taxes, or they forget certain numbers on their taxes. And sometimes they're getting a 1099 that they don't include, and as a result, they get a letter from the IRS saying, hey, we think there's a mistake on your tax return. So as a result of that, they'll get this letter, and then the first thing you want to do is not handle the IRS on your own, okay? Because there's a lot of different rules and regulations around how the IRS can collect and what your rights are. Or you can also get a letter saying that you're going to be audited. You do not want to handle the audit on your own. Because quite honestly, the auditors of the IRS, they only have one job, is to get more money out of you. And some of them are very good people, and some of them are not honest people, and they'll say whatever they need to say to get some additional money out of you from the IRS. You want to get help from a professional like Peter Holtz, okay? And like my firm. We're a top 400 firm in the United States. We do a lot of IRS representation. We help people reduce the amounts they owe to the IRS. We help people correct prior filings. Sometimes a tax preparer makes a mistake on the tax return and doesn't include all your write-offs. And as a result, you're looking at a situation, you file a tax return, you may have $30,000, $40,000, $100,000 to the IRS, and the numbers are wrong. And you can go back and amend those as part of the collections process to show the IRS that the numbers were wrong. And to me, it's a really good indicator when your tax preparer says you owe $100,000 to the IRS and you don't have the money to pay because you don't really owe $100,000 and the numbers were wrong in the first place. So getting IRS representation is really, really critical, especially when it comes to, collections and the audit. I mean, those are really two areas that are very, very critical.